Our after-project services ensure the ongoing vitality and appeal of your landscapes, providing year-round care and attention. From maintenance checks, pruning cutting plants, fertilizing, seasonal care and upkeep, pest and disease management, we tailor our care to each season, ensuring your landscapes thrive in every weather. Ready to experience worry-free maintenance for your landscapes? Contact us at 07753369494 or 07412345512 to discuss how we can keep your outdoor spaces thriving year-round.